Very good morning, students. I am SJSI. Here we go with the 11th volume of the chapter Internal Reconstruction. So, we can look into question number 24. Following is the balance sheet of Downhill Limited as at 31/3/2020. We are given equity shares alone here. Debentures are there. Outstanding debenture interest is also there. And the creditors. So on asset side, goodwill should be written off compulsorily, and the last two assets should be written off compulsorily. Pass journal entries and draft the company's balance sheet immediately after the reconstruction or construction by considering the following scheme of reconstruction. Equity shares are reduced by 95 per share. By anta kottaga ಎಷ್ಟು amount capital reduction account ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Otherwise, it is reduced to 5 rupees each. So 95 rupees should go to the capital reduction account. Only the 5 rupees will go to the new equity shares, equity share capital. Then they are consolidated into 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. Okay, so this is a new sentence being given. Need not to bother. Ekandre idu 20 lakhs by 100 each ಆಯ್ತು ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ will be getting 20,000 shares. At 20,000 shares multiply by 5 rupees only 1 lakh. So ಇದು 10,000 shares into 10 each also gives you 1 lakh. Conversion ಅಂದ್ರೆ earlier 100 rupees ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ 10 rupees ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ 20 lakhs. Give a credit to equity share capital account new 10,000 shares into 1 lakh. So give a credit to capital reduction account. This is the balance. How you are getting if all you want, you can calculate. That is, you can see here how many number of shares are there. 20 lakhs by 100 each under 20,000 shares are 20,000 shares into 95 rupees. 20,000 shares into 95 rupees. So nimage 19 lakhs per. Illa idana difference amount anta consider. So that is how it is being taken. Old share capital 20 lakhs. You will credit to equity share capital account new 10,000 shares into 10 each 1 lakh. So difference amount entire transfer to capital reduction account. Next, coming to this entry here. Debenture holders agree to forego outstanding debenture interest. Outstanding debenture interest as compensation 12% debentures are converted into 14% debentures. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು for foregoing this outstanding debenture interest account to capital reduction. 1A, 3 is that. Then conversion of the 14%, 12% debentures into 14% debentures. So here the entry is passed on. That is the entry here. Outstanding debenture interest accounted to capital reduction account. Then 12% debentures accounted to 14% debentures. Old debentures converted into new debentures. So here the entry is worth. Coming to point number 3. Creditors are given option to either accept 50% of their claim in cash in full settlement or to convert their claims into equity shares of rupees 10 each. Creditors for 2 lakhs opted for shares in satisfaction of their claims. ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50% ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ 50% ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೋರ್ಗೋ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ 3 lakhs ಇದೆ. ಈ 3 lakhs ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಒಂದು ಇಫ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್, ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್, ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅವರು 50% ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೋರ್ಗೋ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರು ಈಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ತ್ 10 rupees ವರ್ತ್ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. 10 rupees worth shares ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ full amount ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ creditors for 2 lakhs opted for shares ಅಂತ. ಅದರ remaining 1 lakh they have opted for cash ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Out of 3 lakhs 2 lakhs have opted for shares. Now that is converted into shares. In the remaining 1 lakh ಇದಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು they are opting for cash ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So if they opt for cash then 50% will not be paid. In 1 lakh 50% 50,000 it comes. So remaining 50,000 they have to forego. ಅದು entry ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಈಗ how to take up that you can see creditors account debit 3 lakhs. To equity share capital account new it is to 20,000 shares into 10 each rupees 2 lakhs rupees per. To bank account in the remaining 1 lakh ಏನidella out of 3 lakhs 2 lakhs settled in the form of shares. Remaining 1 lakh is there. Now they are opting for a cash, immediate cash. 1 lakh into 50%. That gives you 50,000. Remaining 50,000 is the loss or otherwise amount foregone, sacrificed by them will be transferred to capital reduction. Next, to bank account debit, give a credit to equity share capital account. Bank account debit to equity share capital account. What for is this? To make payment to creditors opting for cash to augment to raise the working capital, the company issues 50,000 equity shares of ₹10 each at par. The entire amount being payable along with the application, the issue was fully subscribed and paid. Another 50,000 shares are being issued to the public. So that is being taken here. Bank account debit to equity share capital account. 50,000 shares into 10 each, 5 lakhs per. Next, land and buildings are revalued for ₹2 lakhs. See the land and buildings here given 1,50,000. ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನ revalue ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ 2 lakhs. ಅಂದ್ರೆ there is an increase of 50,000. Okay. So this appreciation is there 50,000. Now that is amount being transferred to the capital reduction account. Land and buildings account debit to capital reduction account. Whatever the appreciation is there, so that is being transferred. And coming to the next entry here, the plant and machinery is to be written down to and this is the amount to be shown in the new balance sheet. Then what is the amount given in the balance sheet? Plant and machinery 3 lakhs. The 3 lakhs minus 2,10,000. So this there is a reduction. 3 lakhs minus 2,10,000. So 90,000 is being reduced out of the plant and machinery, and provision amounting to 5,000 to be made for doubtful debts. RBD create money 5,000. That is what is being taken here. Capital reduction account debit. ಯಾವ್ದು capital reduction account ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. amount 19 lakhs ಒಂದು, 1,20,000 ಒಂದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ 50,000. So 3 amounts are added here. Along with that, there is an appreciation of 50,000 capital reduction account. So ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿವು ಆಯ್ತಾ ಆ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So you are getting 21,20,000. In this, compulsory these 3 amounts whichever is given in the balance sheet should be erased. So take out those things. Plant account I told you 3 lakhs minus 2,10,000 90,000 and RBD 5,000. Ultimately this entire total amount is exactly equal to 21,20,000. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತದ್ದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಇಸ್ ನಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. So pause down, write down the entries. Then you can continue with the balance sheet. You trade payables only. You can find 1,10,000 Actually, trade payables ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ entire creditors are settled, so don't pay the amounts here. Only this it is. Share capital 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು? Equity share capital ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದೊಂದು equity share capital ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅದು 1 lakh. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ equity share capital ಅದು 2 lakhs. So 1 lakh plus 2 lakhs ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 3 lakhs. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ equity share capital 5 lakhs. So 1 lakh plus 2 lakhs plus 5 lakhs. Totally 8 lakhs is the share capital which is coming here. That is what we should know. Next, debentures will be there. 14% debentures are convert ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. that amount. Fixed assets ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 3. Land and buildings 2 lakhs. That is a new value. Plant and machinery, that is a new value. And furniture, old value as it is. So total 4,90,000 that is taken. Next, short-term loans, other current loans, cash and cash equivalents. Sort of debtors, 5,000 is the RBD, so that is being deducted. 60,000 minus 5,000, so 55,000 you are getting. Stock amount, no change, 2,70,000 whatever is there. Ade barkoli. Well, cash at bank, earlier there is 35,000. At 35,000, illi credit madidare amount nodಬೋದು bank ಗೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 50,000, this is a deduction item. Debit ಮಾಡುವ ಮಾತ್ರ add ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 5 lakhs. ಆಮೇಲೆ 35,000 plus this 5 lakhs minus 50,000. So that is what is being taken here. 35,000 plus 5 lakhs minus 50,000. ಇದು 5 lakhs ಗೆ issued to the public. Shares issued to the public ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಇದು 35,000 given in the balance sheet. ಅದು existing balance. So 35 plus 5 lakhs minus 50,000 which is being paid to the creditors. So balance still you have 4,85,000, that is the cash. So total you are getting 13 lakhs here also. Okay, so you can pause down and write now. So in this column, this is the highlight point. You should be aware about this, how it is being treated. This is a special treatment. Okay, alright. So balance we should see in the next class. That will be the last video. Number 12 will be the last video.